blue who. It is Christmas season. I am doing my Christmas nails, which I do the same nails every year, just a little bit different. And if you don't know what I do Grinch nails every single year for the past, I don't even know how many years I've done this. I love the Grinch. I love the cartoon. I love the Jim Carrey version. I even watched the Grinch animation version from last year, and it wasn't my fave, but I still loved it. It was still really cute, I thought. Hey, get out of the tree. My cats love to get in the Christmas tree, and I'm scared it's gonna tip over. Frankie, stop. Okay, anywho with Jenna Lou Who, she got jokes. I already did my other hand because if you guys have noticed in all of my videos that I always have two different sets of nails on my hands. And the truth is, I'm right-handed, so all of my awesome talent and nail art goes on my super awesome left hand. And then this one I just keep really boring. One color. Most of the time I put glitter, so this is what I have. They're really dry because, again, I just did them. Probably couldn't see that because it didn't focus. But yeah, they're sparkly Christmas nails. This color is called Christmas Red. How many times am I gonna say Christmas or Grinch or who in this video? Only you will know. Anyways, let's just dive right in and get started. Also, I wear my Greetings from Whoville t-shirt, and yes, it is slightly too small for me, but you know what? I love this shirt. It was the last one on the mannequin last year from Box Lunch, and I had to have it, so... And you guys aren't even gonna see it because it's time to put on my apron over my Who hair. Woo. See, you can't even see it anymore. This is like my first time really doing like a nail video like this, I think. Hopefully it comes out okay. And honestly, when it comes to me doing this type of nail art, I have to do one nail at a time. It just takes so long, so freaking long. Some people might be wondering, like, why do I do these nails every year? Honestly, I just love them. I think they're adorable. But also, I love the fact that I've done them for this long, and I love seeing like my progress. And I will put all the pictures up so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's just crazy to look at from year one to now. I remember the first year I did them, I was so proud of them, and everybody was like amazed by them that at the salon I worked at, and all my family and stuff. I just remember thinking like every year that I wanted to like do them and like somehow one up that, and so every year I've kind of tried to do that and see my progress. And it's funny because every year going into it, I always think like, how can they get any better from the year before? And somehow they do get better, and it's pretty cool to watch. So that's why I do Grinch nails every single year. One thing, when I do really intricate nail art, I usually always start with a white polish as like my base color, because if you think about it, like artists, when you work on a canvas, they're starting with just a plain white background, you know? So basically it's the same idea, to just start with one really nice coat of white. And then literally for this design, I basically take just a regular pencil and I kind of trace out what I'm doing on my white nail, and that really helps me a lot. So for the pointer finger, I'm going to do Max. I always do the cartoon version because doing the real version, that's just like way too hard, way too much freaking work. Ain't nobody got time for that. So now we're going to trace just roughly. This is Mi's head, his cheeks, his little snout thing, maybe a hat right there. A lot of times I have to make my own colors when I do this kind of thing. So it's just all about mixing and finding the best shade. And yes, I do end up wasting a ton of polish when I mix colors, but do what you gotta do, man. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. So obviously it just kind of looks like a bunch of nothing until you add all the black lining. That is key, folks. And also, what time is it? It's basically 1 o'clock. So I started my nails at noon with this hand, prepping everything. And now it's 1 o'clock and I'm starting my design. So let's see how long this takes me. I want to talk about something. Oh, my posture is really bad when I do nails. I need a better nail table / chair. This is just the dining room. Anyways, back to what I was going to say. Let me just start by saying I read all of your guys' comments. Literally every single one of them that pops up like as a notification through my email and all that stuff. Most of the time you guys have really nice things to say, but sometimes you guys have really either not so nice or annoying things to say. And I just want to clarify something really quickly, that for instance, my nail tech goes to the worst reviewed nail salon video. That video has quite a lot of negative comments, and it's not the only one, where people just say stupid stuff like about my voice, like whatever, and some things that I've probably said like really offend them. Whatever is the issue. It's just a number of things. Okay, so before, honestly, those comments never really bothered me, and I still try to not let them bother me that much, but there has been some comments that do bother me, and I just wanted to like kind of clear the air on this subject. The only comments that really like bug me are the ones where people are like, and you think you're the most perfect nail technician, or and you're the best, like question mark, question mark, question mark. Like people say things like that, and I just want to clear the air right now and say that I have never ever claimed that I am the best nail technician, because I'm not. I know I'm not. Like, there are times I have made so many mistakes. Like, seriously guys, so many freaking mistakes. I'm aware of it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like I've nipped people where they're bleeding. I've done really crappy nails before. Like, I've done a lot of stuff that I'm not really like proud of, you know? So I never would say that I was the best nail technician. There are thousands upon millions of nail technicians that are better than me, okay? I know. I seriously know. Yeah, so it just like really kind of annoys me when people say that. Guys, I don't think I'm perfect. I've never thought I was the most bestest nail salon in the world, because I know I'm not. I've worked with some of the most amazing nail technicians, and yeah, I just know there are people out there that are better than me. And that's something that like I remember when I was younger thinking, is that like there will always be someone better than you at something in the entire world. If you think about it, like you can be the best anything and there will always be someone who's going to be better than you. They just might not be as well known as you, or whatever the case may be, but there's always someone who's better than you. And I know that's kind of tough love to hear, but it's the truth. And so that's just something I've always told myself, you know? And I've never been like cocky about me and nails and like my nail art, because that's just like not who I am. I just love doing nails. I love doing my own nails, and that's it. Those of you who comment that, please stop. Like, it's annoying. It's just, ugh, it's super like, ugh. No one wants to hear that, because I never said that. Like, you're just putting words into my mouth, your mouth, everybody's mouth. And it's just, it's so unnecessary. So there's just really no need. I wish all the negative comments on YouTube could just disappear. I don't think they will, but I wish they could, because then it would be such a happier place. This is serious business, guys. No wonder I have back problems. Like, look at my back. Now it's time for the star of this show, the Grinch. And I'm gonna do his face and his hand, because that's like his thing, is stealing, you know. Again, I'm just gonna follow the same steps I did with Max. I don't know if any of you guys who watch my channel are like aspiring nail techs out there or anything. I know when I started doing nails in high school, I watched a lot of YouTube tutorials, and I just like wanted to be so good at nail art and all that stuff. And I just want to say that, like, as my photos of these Grinch nails are a literal testament that like practice makes perfect. Like, that's all I can say. And that isn't just for nail art, like that's for anything. And the more you do the same thing over and over and over again, then the better you're gonna get at it. That's my inspirational quote for today's video. Practice makes perfect by Jenna Luhu. But yeah, comment down below if you guys are aspiring nail techs or even just nail tech. If you guys like my nail videos, whether they're me going to nail salons and finding the best one, me doing this, just practicing on my nails, showing you guys how I do things. Just comment down below what you like and what you want to see, because I definitely notice, like, obviously my nail videos do a lot better than the rest of my videos, which isn't gonna stop me from doing like what I want to do, but I want to see what you guys want to see, you know? So yeah, comment down below what you want to see, what you like more, and I will arrange that for you. I feel like the holidays is when a lot of people tend to get their nails done more regularly than the rest of the year, I guess. Majority of people choose red because Christmas. So are you one of those people that you kind of only get your nails done during the holidays and you choose red? Because that's very boring. If you are one of those people, there's nothing wrong with being that person, but red is just, it's so typical. You can do so many cute holiday designs with other colors than just red. I'm just saying. Just keep waiting, just keep waiting, just keep waiting, waiting. What do? We wait. Also, if you guys are wondering about my hair, I did YouTube it. I will link down where I found the YouTube channel below. It actually helped a lot. I think it came out really good. There is literally a red Solo cup inside my hair. Like, I don't know if you guys will see. See? It's in there. And that's how I turned into Jenna Luhu. I wish that was like my real name. I think it's adorable. I'm finally done. And it is 3:45. So it took me almost 3 hours. Over 3 hours in total to do both my hands, but almost 3 to just do one hand. And this is the final result. I'm putting a white piece of paper down here so it looks a little nicer. It's all about the aesthetic. But look at these. They are so cute. I don't know about doing a red background. It definitely takes away from the design. Usually I do like a cream or white. I'm so not a hand model. Sorry if my posing is like super out of whack. I think my Grinch last year might have been a little bit better, but I still really love them. They're so stinking cute. That is my Grinchmas nail tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. If you look, I have a giant mess that I have to clean up now. I never said I was the cleanest nail tech either. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did and you want more nail videos, whether it's me going to a nail salon or me doing a nail tutorial or me reacting to other nail videos, you know what to do. Comment down below. Today's video shout out goes to Jasmine, so shout out to you, girl. Thank you for watching wherever you are. I just love this hair. I don't know if I'm ever gonna take this off. Like, this is so cute. I wish I could go to work like this. I wish I could live my everyday life like this. That's it for this week's video, so I'll see you guys all next week on next week's video. Welcome Christmas, Christmas cheer. Anywho, this was Jenna Luhu, and I'm out.